a little bit. Yeah. My home was infested, on the road I was restless, but I chose to be exceptional, the toll wasn't measured, no. Got on speed dial, I don't atone to no reverend, no. I didn't catch my break by having a similar tone to a legend, no. I would have to wait, dedicate time, invest pain to this. No gorilla black, I spill facts, don't trace my shit. First viruses I had to fight was poverty and crack smoke. It wasn't no vaccine for those, I had to take the back roads. On the road to riches, I had Fred Flintstone whip. My feet still callous, had to eat like a savage. What's beef? Beef ain't no caption coming from internet thugs. Beef was me losing Michelle because he chose drugs over me, Lil Buddy and Brandy. Unless you know how that feel, how could you understand me? How could I get my mom up out of that Camry and in the Benzes? How could I get this far and not be unsure of who my friends is? How? Yeah. How could I get my mom up out of that Camry and in the Benzes? How could I get this far and not be unsure of who my friends is? Another day, another dollar, another whack album. They shit trash sounding, cats plateaued like flat mountains. That's how it goes, I guess. We gon' be getting more dough, more shows, more hoes in my home undressed. Made plenty cheese being me, which exceeded my expectations. Better to fail in originality than to succeed in. Didn't see the limitations, but felt them like a motherfucker. I sure did. What we do, drop butter until your whole block covered. Whoa. Shots from your stick might hit me, they might not though. True. Can't ever be too sure, we might got those too. However the cookie crumble, now it's fuck being humble. When feathers getting ruffled and they chirping about how they gon' line you up in a huddle. That is a kerfuffle, but this cash gotta double. So I burn a bridge and get to it faster through a tunnel. For these shoes I got on, your bitch jacket hit a puddle. I had shoes on that would make dudes laugh when I come through. But my patent leather struggle and my passion and my hustle made every piece fit without the package for the puzzle. I remember when we couldn't afford them Jordan Concords. I do. And now every crowd want an encore. Whoa. Yeah. I remember when we couldn't afford them Jordan Concords. And now every crowd want an encore.